Hello dear children, Sai Ram. Welcome back to Social Studies class. In today's class, we will continue with chapter number 16, Kolkata. Now children, before we continue with the chapter, let's revise what we have learned in previous class. Climate of Kolkata. Now being near the sea coast, Kolkata has a moderate climate, because it gets lot of air right from the sea coast. It is neither very hot in summer nor very cold in winter. It rains heavily during the monsoon months of June to September. Sometimes it rains so heavily that it leads to water logging in the city. Now children, do you remember the clothing of Kolkata? Yes children. The traditional dress for men in Kolkata is the dhoti kurta or pajama kurta. However, many have changed over to shirts and trousers. Women mostly wear sari blouse and salwar kameez. Let us learn the food of Kolkata. Rice and fish are the staple food of the Bengalis. Now we have already learned that the soil of Kolkata is very fertile, right? It has alluvial soil, which is very good or very suitable for rice cultivation. Therefore, they cultivate rice on a very large scale. So people eat rice more. They prefer to eat rice more. And they also love to eat fish. Why? Because in West Bengal, there are many rivers, many ponds and lakes from where they can catch fish. So they love to eat fish. Rice and fish are the staple food of the Bengalis. Now children, observe the picture. Yes, you can see in both the images sweets of Bengal. Okay, Bengali sweets. In the first image you can see Sandesh, and in the second image you can see Rasgulla. They are very fond of eating sweets, right? Bengali people are very fond of eating sweets. Sandesh and Rasgulla are two of their most popular sweets. Now Sandesh and Rasgulla are made of chena. Okay, it is made of chena. Now what is chena? Chena is made of milk. When you put lemon juice in the hot milk, the milk is converted into chena. Chena is kind of paneer, and chena is used for making sweets. Most of the sweets in West Bengal is made of chena. Sandesh is made of chena. Rasgulla is also made of chena. Rasgulla is round in shape. It is made of chena and then it is poured in sugar syrup. Festivals of Kolkata. Though all the festivals are celebrated in Kolkata, the most important ones are Durga Puja and Kali Puja. Durga Puja and Kali Puja are celebrated on a very grand scale. It is very popular. Both the festivals are very popular in Kolkata and also in West Bengal. The main language spoken in Kolkata is Bengali. It is also called as Bangla. Okay, Bengali language or Bangla. The people here are fond of art and music. You can see here, people are fond of art and music. They are singing with the instruments. Here also they are singing with the instrument, and here the girls are dancing wearing the traditional sari of Kolkata, white sari with red border. Okay children, this is the culture of Kolkata. The most popular games in Kolkata are football and cricket. Football is more popular than cricket. Here you can see so many people are viewing football match. Eden Garden Cricket Stadium. Eden Garden is very famous for cricket. Here you can see image of, yes, who is this person? He is a very popular person, right? He is a very popular man, Saurabh Ganguly. Yes, children, he was the captain of Indian cricket team and now he is retired. So the most popular games in Kolkata are football and cricket. Now children, view this image. This is the image of the great poet Rabindranath Tagore. The great poet Rabindranath Tagore, who wrote our national anthem, belonged to Kolkata. Now in school every day we sing national anthem, right children? The national anthem is Jana Gana Mana Adi, right? Do you remember? Rabindranath Tagore was the first Indian to get the Nobel Prize. He was the first Indian to get the Nobel Prize. You have to remember this. This is very important. Okay, children? Now, children, view the images. Yes, this images of the great social worker known as Mother Teresa. She was the founder of the Missionaries of Charity. Mother Teresa is also known world over for her charity work. She is known world over for her charity work. She started an organization called the Missionaries of Charity in Kolkata, which provides a home for children who are homeless. Her entire life was fully devoted to helping the poor, the sick, the needy, and the helpless people. She was awarded with Nobel Peace Prize in 1970. She was awarded with Nobel Peace Prize in 1970. Now children, this question is from your textbook, from the textual exercise. Describe the climate of Kolkata. Now how will you describe the climate of Kolkata? Kolkata is near the sea coast, so the climate remains moderate throughout the year. During the monsoon months of the June to September, it rains very heavily. During the monsoon months of June to September, it rains very heavily. This way you have to answer. Now the second question, this question is also from the textbook. What clothes do the men and women usually wear? Yes, children. What clothes do the men and women usually wear? The answer is the traditional clothes of men are dhoti kurta or pajama kurta, but in recent times it has changed into trousers and shirts. The women wear sari and salwar kameez. Okay, children, the traditional clothes of men are dhoti kurta or pajama kurta, but in recent times it has changed into trousers and shirts. The women wear sari and salwar kameez. Now children, you can pause the video and you can remove your notebook and start writing the answers. Fill in the blanks. Okay, we will do this exercise. The staple food of Bengalis are dash and dash. We have learnt in today's class the staple food of Bengalis are dash and dash. If you remember the answer, you can write down the answer. Yes, children? Rice and fish. The staple food of Bengalis are rice and fish. The next one. Bengalis are very fond of eating dash. Yes? What is the answer? The answer is sweets. Bengalis are very fond of eating sweets. Yes, children, you can write down the answers. The next question. Dash and dash are two of their most popular sweets. Yes, we have learned dash and dash are two of their most popular sweets. Which are the most popular sweets? Sandesh and Rasgulla. Both are made of chena. Okay, children? The most important festivals are dash and dash. Yes, which are the most important festivals? Very popular festivals of West Bengal? Durga Puja and Kali Puja. They are celebrated in a very grand way. Okay, in a very grand scale. The next one. The main language spoken in Kolkata is dash. Yes, which is the main language spoken in Kolkata? Most of the people of Kolkata speaks. Yes, they speak Bengali. Bengali is also called Bangla. Okay. The main language spoken in Kolkata is Bengali. Most of the people speak Bengali. The people here are fond of dash and dash. Yes, the people here are fond of art and music. The people here are fond of art and music. There are many artists from Kolkata and West Bengal. Okay, there are many artists. The most popular games in Kolkata are dash and dash. Yes? Which are the most popular games in Kolkata? Yes, children, the most popular games in Kolkata are football and cricket. Football is more popular than the cricket. The next one, the great poet Rabindranath Tagore wrote our dash belonged to Kolkata. Yes, he wrote our Rabindranath Tagore wrote our national anthem. Okay, he wrote our national anthem. He is the writer of national anthem. Dash was the first Indian to get the Nobel Prize. Who was the first Indian to receive Nobel Prize? Yes, children. Who was the first Indian? Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, Rabindranath Tagore was the first Indian to get the Nobel Prize. So children, we will learn more about Kolkata in next class. Now you have to read the textbook, learn the spellings. Followed children, I hope you all have followed what I have taught you. Thank you children. See you in the next class.